Hi, this is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Gas, Oil, Water Knowledge Hub. Presentation on contingency plan in water, oil, gas guidelines. Hi, this is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Gas, Oil, Water Knowledge Hub. Presentation on contingency plan in water, oil, gas guidelines. So, PLR, pig launcher and receiver. Launcher is located at the upstream end of the pipeline to launch the pig into the pipeline. The design of the launcher, a receiver is located at the downstream end of the pipeline to remove the pig from pipeline. The design of the launcher and receiver will depend on the pig and pipeline design conditions. PLR barrels, guidelines for repair and welding and inside coating. Pig launcher and receivers. PLR means pig launcher and receiver. This is a pig launcher or receiver. Okay, this diagram. Secondary plan, responsibility, repair and internal coating. Pig launcher and receiver, equipments. Material required, ensure that the below material are contract in place. Ensure that the operation team and mechanical team. Siling, ceramic paste. Siling, ceramic fluid. Plate of 6 into 1 into 0.5 meters. Welding electrodes 6013 7010 for carbon steel lines. Services required, sandblasting, painting, NDT services. This responsibilities by QAQC. Guidelines to welding inside the barrel and coating. Once welding is completed, you have to do coating inside. Dismantle the PLR barrel from the skid and install blinds on the connected pipe flanges. Load the barrel on the trailer as per lifting plan. Offload the barrel at the designated work area. Provide proper supports to ensure the alignment of nozzles. Receiver or launcher. Nozzle does not get distorted during the repair. Mark up the location for cutting and mark the references point at 90 degrees for ease of fit up later. Prepare a OD radial template and punch center lines on template. Carry out cutting of the barrel by using AG7 and GQ4 grinding machines with cutting wheel. Once cut apart, offer the barrel for internal inspection to QAQC team. Carry out sandblasting, cleaning of the internal surface of the barrel to facilitate visual inspection. Then inspect visual inspection by QAQC team and mark up defects for weld filling. carry out well filling by GTAW process, or you can say overlay also, using ER70S2 filler vise diameter 1.6 mm. Then offer for inspection for visual inspection. Once inspection is completed, next activity is completing the internal coating, cleaning and internal coating. Internal coating inspection to be carried out by inspection team. Inspection will QAQC will clear for further fit up of barrel or pups, carry out edge preparation and offer for DP examination. Carry out the fit up of the barrel cut pieces using the OD radial template prepared earlier as reference and offer to QAQC visual inspection. Carry out welding as per WPS. A root pass using SMAW, a subsequent passes using SMAW process, maintain preheat and interpass temperatures to be maintained as per WPS, carry out DP test after completion of the welding, carry out 100% RT of the weld joints. This electrode diameter and this process should be as per WPS only. I have mentioned this only information purpose. Okay, keeping in my mind that is carbon steel material. Upon completion, QAQC clearances, fill the remaining shallow defects with composite repair compounds, which we have arranged earlier at weld joints, and flush it with the metal surface. The surface should be smooth and free projections. Apply the brush able ceramic base coating on the entire internal surface of the barrels to achieve DFT 1000 microns minimum. Allow the coating to dry as per OEM, original equipment manufacturer guidelines. Carry out hydrostatic test at 70 bar for processed fluid lines, barrels 140 bar gauge for WI barrels, and this hydrostatic static test should be, pressure should be as per the design. Okay, as per the drawings only. Carry out touch-up painting on the external surface on the weld joints. Install the prepared barrel at location. Reinstate the installation. Ensure all the stage-wise activities are covered under individual inspection reports. Housekeeping to be carried out on daily basis and ensure workplace is clean and tidy. Finally, I would like to say for this video, thank you. Wishing you all a happy, very bright career. Knowledge is your asset. Thanks for spending good time with me. Any doubts, you please ask me. You can write in comments whatever the doubts regarding to this video or my previous videos, or you can contact me directly. I will give proper reply, and any further guidelines, do not hesitate to contact me. Please try to understand the efforts what I made to prepare this video. I feel it is most useful for the people who are working in the oil and gas. Please share this video to your colleagues, your friends, and write your valuable comments which inspires other people. If you are experienced person, if you are giving a comment that will inspire the juniors, I request you to write more comments And finally, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get continuous videos from me. Have a wonderful time, my friends.